This question is from induction motor, and it says a three-phase, four-pole, 400 volts, 50 hertz squirrel cage induction motor is operating at a slip of 0.02. The speed of the rotor flux in mechanical radian per second sensed by a stationary observer is closest to. That means we need to find out the speed of the rotor with respect to a stationary object or stationary observer, or we can say with respect to the stator, anything. Okay. Now let us see what are the data that is given. The data that are given is it's a three-phase, four-pole, 50 hertz squirrel cage induction motor. This is an easy question. Let us find out what is the synchronous speed. The synchronous speed, if you calculate, it will be 120 F by P. By putting the values, you will get it as 1500 RPM. Now, the rotor speed. The rotor speed will be slip 1 minus slip into ns. By putting the values, you will get it as 1470 RPM. Now this is the speed. Now suppose there is an observer here. This is my stator and this is my rotor. Now this rotor is rotating at a speed nr. Okay, and this nr speed is this. Okay, now this stator is at zero speed. That means it is fixed. This observer is also stationary. Okay, both of them are stationary. Now the rotor is moving at this speed. Now they are asking, the question is, what is the speed of the rotor flux? That means now there will be some current in the rotor, due to which there will be some flux. Okay, and that flux will have some speed. Now what is the speed of the flux with respect to rotor? For that we can find out. Okay, the speed of the flux will be for the rotor, okay, 120 into S of F. The frequency of the rotor is, or frequency of the current developed in the rotor is S into F. So 120 into SF by number of poles. So now if we calculate this S value, we know it to be, S value is given in the question. Okay, S value is 0.02. So now if we put the values here, we'll get it as 30 RPM. Now you see, that means the flux which is generated in the rotor is moving with some speed in the same direction with 30 RPM. And this is with respect to the rotor. So anybody who is stationary will see the speed as of this flux as nr plus this. That means total speed as seen by the stationary object will be 1470 plus 30. This is simple physics. Okay, that means 1500 RP. Okay, now they are asking the question in mechanical radian per second, and mechanical radian per second for 1500 is close to 157 radian per second. So this is the answer, 157 radian per second.